Hi beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the good conditions of your health. So beautiful ladies, today in this video I'm going to share with you beautiful collection of summer wears crop top design ideas for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of crochet made short top designs and crop top design ideas. So if you love to wear crop top designs, if you love to wear crochet style top shirts designs or crop top styles, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. You will get more than 100 plus design ideas. You will be find out sleeveless crop top designs, sleeveless designs, short top designs, different colors, different styles, different designs. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of crochet made crop top styles and designs. So must watch this video till the end. Very beautiful designs are coming up next in this video. I hope so you will enjoy this video. You will love these designs of crochet made top designs and crop top styles. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of crochet made crop top styles and top designs, so please dear ladies and girls, do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. You will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video. How was these designs of crochet made crop top designs and top styles for ladies and girls, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. You will be find out maxi style dresses, floral midi dresses, party wear dresses, mother of the bride dresses, crochet made dresses for ladies and girls, crochet made shirt designs, jacket designs, top designs, blouse design ideas. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis, so must visit on my channel and check other collection and watch out my other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful and very helpful for you. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas and for more designs. So thank you so much for watching my video. Keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.